Can you imagine entertaining family and friends in this gorgeous backyard? My name is Anastasia Orlando and I'm so excited to share with you my newest listing at 5 Kathryn Court in Bradford in the Golfview Estates. Enjoy cooking for your family in the chef's kitchen. We have a gas top stove, high-end appliances, and quartz throughout. You're going to enjoy estate living in the Golfview community right in Bradford. We're just minutes to the highway and walking distance to 2 schools. Wow, what a gorgeous property. I hope you enjoy watching this tour. For more information about this listing, please contact me at the number below. Thank you.